Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your host from Crypto On-Chain, and today we've got some exciting news coming out of the crypto world. A brand new app, Paws, is taking Telegram by storm and attracting millions of users faster than anyone could have predicted. But what's behind this incredible surge? And how does it compare to Hamster Combat, a once popular crypto game that's now struggling to keep its users? In this video, we'll dive into the rapid rise of Paws, its upcoming Binance listing, and why it's grabbing so much attention in the crypto community. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Let's get into it. Party Popper quick giveaway alert. Party Popper. Want to win some easy cash? It's super simple to enter. Just do these two things. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below telling me why you could use a little extra money. Once we hit 2,000 likes on this video, I'll pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. Money with wings. Now, let's jump into today's video. Movie camera. Paws grows 25 million users in just 1 week. What's behind the surge? Paws, a new crypto app on Telegram, is making waves in the crypto world, attracting millions of users in record time. In just 1 week, it gained 25 million users, sparking curiosity and excitement across the community. This rapid rise comes as Hamster Combat, once atop Tap to Earn game, is seeing a sharp decline in users and engagement. Hamster Combat faces tough times. Hamster Combat reached its peak in August with 300 million active users, but things have taken a downturn. By November 5th, that number had dropped to just 41 million, an 86% decline. Data from Into the Block, ITB, shows that active users of the game fell sharply, with a drop of over 36% since September 27th. Experts say the decline is due to a mix of political issues, bans, and growing competition in the Telegram app ecosystem. Paws, the new Telegram sensation. On the flip side, Paws is taking the crypto world by storm. In just 8 days after its launch, it attracted over 20.5 million users. By November 4th, Paws hit major milestones: 10 million wallets connected to the app, and its Telegram channel reached 1 million followers. Now, Paws is gearing up for an exciting milestone: its listing on Binance, one of the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchanges. The listing price is expected to be 1 cent, presenting a big opportunity for both new and existing investors. Why the Binance listing matters. The Paws token's upcoming listing on Binance is a game changer. Binance's massive user base and liquidity will give Paws more exposure and make it easier for people to trade the token. This is a key step in Paws's journey from being a niche crypto project to potentially becoming a major player in the market. Plus, the Paws Airdrop, which helped draw many users to the app, is a big part of its community-first approach. By offering free tokens and engaging with users, Paws is building a loyal following. The airdrop and listing together signal that Paws is ready for broader adoption. Looking ahead for Paws. With its listing on Binance and the growing interest in its ecosystem, Paws is poised for more success. The app's innovative features and focus on community are helping it stand out, while the upcoming airdrop and listing are making it even more attractive to investors and users alike. In short, Paws is on the fast track to becoming one of the most talked about projects in crypto, and it's only getting started.